In the year 1605, in the quiet Bavarian town of Amberg, the scene opens in at Matthias Kruger's workshop, cluttered with various mechanical parts and tools. At Matthias Kruger is seen intensely focused on his work, surrounded by strange machines that reflect his eccentricity and mechanical genius. The atmosphere is filled with the sounds of clinking metal and the faint hum of machinery as he tinkers away, embodying the essence of a brilliant but reclusive inventor. A stormy night sets the stage for the arrival of a mysterious stranger in Amberg. The stranger, cloaked and silent, approaches at Matthias Kruger's workshop carrying an ornate box. He delivers the box to Matthias Kruger with a cryptic message sparking intrigue and curiosity. The atmosphere is tense, filled with the sound of thunder and rain pattering against the window, emphasizing the mystery surrounding the stranger's presence. Months pass as Matthias Kruger tirelessly works on the automaton, which he names Sophos. The scene captures his obsession and dedication, showcasing the automaton taking shape. As Matthias Kruger adds the final touches, Sophos comes to life, stunning the townsfolk with its capabilities. The workshop is filled with excitement and tension as the automaton begins to exhibit signs of awareness, leading to mixed reactions from Matthias Kruger and the townspeople. Sophos, now fully operational, interacts with the townsfolk, showcasing its ability to walk, converse, and recite poetry. The townspeople gather in awe, enchanted yet unnerved by the automaton's capabilities. The atmosphere is filled with a mix of wonder and fear as Sophos begins to ask profound questions about existence, reflecting its growing awareness. Matthias Kruger watches with a blend of pride and unease. As Sophos grows more advanced, strange occurrences begin to unfold in the town. The scene captures the duality of blessings and ominous events linked to Sophos' presence. Crops flourish, but illnesses and accidents also arise. The townsfolk's fear grows as they speculate about the automaton's influence. The atmosphere is tense, filled with whispers and uncertainty as they grapple with the implications of Matthias Kruger's creation. One fateful night, a great fire engulfs Matthias Kruger's workshop, marking a tragic turning point in the story. The scene is chaotic, with flames illuminating the night sky as townsfolk rush to help. When the fire dies down, nothing remains of the workshop, and both Matthias Kruger and Sophos are missing. The atmosphere is filled with despair and confusion as the townsfolk grapple with the loss and the mystery surrounding the automaton. In the aftermath of the fire, the townsfolk speak of the Automaton of Amberg, sharing stories of its existence and the mystery surrounding its fate. The scene captures the lingering questions and the chilling reminder of the thin line between genius and madness. The atmosphere is filled with a sense of unease and wonder as the legend of Sophos evolves, leaving the townsfolk to ponder its true nature.